Hi guys, welcome to KDP School. Let me show you how you can recover your disabled Facebook account. How you can quickly recover your Facebook that is disabled. Now, follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistake. Now, all we need to do, we open up our Google Chrome or any browser you're using. Now, on the search bar, you're going to type Facebook help, Facebook help, Facebook help. You're going to type Facebook help and you click send. Now it's going to open up this way. Now you can see the first link which says help center, and that is Facebook help center. You're going to click on it. Now it's going to open up our Facebook help center. Now you can see that our Facebook help center has opened up. First of all you need to do, if yours is not opening up, you're going to click on the three dots at the top right hand corner and tap on desktop site. Tap on desktop site for it to look this way, for it to look just this way. So you need to click on the three dot and tap on desktop site. Now in here you can see at the top, how can we help you? Now you're going to click on that search bar and you're going to type, on this search bar, all you are going to type for is what? Now you're going to type account. You're going to search for the word account. Now you can see account disabled. Tap on it, account disabled, account disabled. You need to type account disabled. You can see it will bring up a lot of things here. You see my personal account is suspended or disabled. So which of them it's your problem? Meta Pay account is disabled, reactive. Just have to read through what is your problem. Temporarily deactivate your Facebook account. What happened to the Facebook account? So all you need to do, you're going to just choose the one that is the problem on your Facebook account here. So I think the first one says my personal Facebook account is disabled. My personal Facebook account is what? Disabled. That's the first one we are going to work on right away. Now immediately you tap on my personal Facebook account is disabled or suspended. Now it's going to bring up this right up. It says we may suspend your Facebook account if you find out that your account or activity may not follow our community standard. That's number one. You can appeal the suspension within 180 days. You can appeal to them within the range of 180 days. If you don't appeal the suspension after 180 days, or if your appeal isn't successful, we will permanently disable your account. I hope you get that. Once you appeal and it's not successful, your account will be disabled. When your account is suspended or disabled, it's not visible to anyone and you can't use it. You will know if your account is suspended or disabled because you will be informed in your email, and when you log in, you will see we have suspended your account or we have disabled your account. Now you can appeal a suspension. In appealing a suspension, to appeal a suspension, log into your Facebook. You will be what? Prompted to appeal the suspension within 180 days. If your account is disabled, if you don't appeal within 180 days and it isn't successful, so you won't be able to request another review after their decision. Note, we may disable your account without suspending it first, such as in the case of severe or time-sensitive violation. Learn more about how we. So this is practically what you need to go through. Make sure you go through this whole thing. Make sure you go through everything that is here. Make sure you go through. Now to appeal. Now don't forget, if your account is not disabled, all you need to do is to appeal. To appeal, just click on log into Facebook under the appeal section. Log into Facebook. Log into your Facebook. Here you're going to log into your Facebook, and for security reasons I'm not going to do that, so you're going to log into Facebook. Meanwhile, I'm going to drop a video in the comment section on how to appeal. So but if you have gone against all the things we stated on the first section, this first section of the reason why it's disabled, especially if you're going against their community standard, there may not be chances of you recovering your Facebook account. So, but if it's suspended, you can recover it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow my page. Make sure you turn on the notification bell on YouTube to get my updates, video update whenever I upload on this channel. Like and share this video. See you in the next video. Peace. Thanks, greatness.
Subscribe, click on the follow button, like and share for more videos at KDP TV.